Once upon a meadow nestled between whispering pines, Rabbit and Crow were unlikely companions. Rabbit, with her soft fur and nimble feet, loved to hop through the clover patches, while Crow, with his sleek feathers and sharp eyes, perched atop the tallest tree, keeping watch over the land. One brisk autumn morning, Rabbit discovered a field of ripe carrots bathed in the golden sunlight. She couldn't resist munching on them, but her joy turned to panic when she realized she couldn't carry them all home. Just then, Crow swooped down gracefully beside her. "Hello, Rabbit. I see you found a treasure," Crow cawed knowingly. "But I can't carry them all back to my burrow." Rabbit sighed, ears drooping. Crow thought for a moment, then proposed a solution. He would fly down one by one, picking up carrots with his beak and ferrying them to Rabbit's burrow. So they worked together, Rabbit gathering and Crow ferrying until the burrow was filled with carrots. From that day on, Rabbit and Crow shared many more adventures, learning that despite their differences, they could rely on each other's strengths. And whenever autumn painted the meadow with hues of orange and gold, they remembered their first shared harvest with warmth in their hearts.